Well, Porsche owners, here's a little 911 sitting in the salvage yard. Probably all the floors are rusted out on her. It's been sitting here a long time, but I think Porsche owners would like to see this. It's got engine parts inside, so because it could have had a engine failure at one time or another. There's still some parts left on her though. Engine's not there. Muscle Car Corner signing out on a little Porsche sitting out here. Classic Cars of South Carolina. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell your friends and family. I appreciate y'all. Thanks so much.